my name is Carol, and today we'll be looking at how to validate and confirm work orders in resolution. So if you log into your Infraspeak account and you head on over to your work orders tab, you can then click on the top of your screen on the work orders closed tab, and that will take you to your work orders that have been closed log. You can then select the work order that you want to confirm. So double click on that one, and that will open up your work order details. At your left hand corner, you have the option to confirm your work order details. If you click on that one, and once it has been completed, it is now confirmed. If we just want to double check that that has been confirmed, then all is okay. Just go back to the closed log, and if you see here, we have a green tick inside of our status bar, which means that it has been confirmed. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy that. Bye.